And today we're playing some multiplayer for Minecraft. By the way, this is my first time I play Minecraft, I think. Or not. Yeah, this is my first time and I'm playing the server of Find Your Love thing. What is this? But yeah. By the way, I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? OMG. Not this time. Not this time. So, the owner is Zach. It's the owner. By the way, I'm gonna say them too. Hi to YouTube. So yeah, we're getting some craft. And Zach is the owner, and yeah, this is cool. Guys, can you even hear me, guys? Can anybody hear me? This really sucks. No, not you. Yeah, just kidding. This is such a very cool. So VIP is here. This is really cool. So yeah. Oh, owner's house. So yeah. Can I get in? Why you guys can't hear me? It's impossible. Go to my chat settings. My volume is what the? Guys, can you even hear me? Zach, can you hear me? This life. It's really hard if you don't have. They're gonna cheer a sword or anything. And hey, stop it, you guys! Don't get too choosy. Never mind, just gonna get wood. Hey, don't say that. That's bad. Don't you ever say like that on the owner. You almost same have VIPs. Now you're fighting? Okay, I'm good. No. Lied. So yeah. Please, I need a sword. Stop being broke. Wow, that's just like One hit at a time, bro. But why is VIP? You're a VIP. You go creative. Dude, what's happening to you? You're a VIP. And now you can even go in creative. Wow, dude. That's really cool. I don't even know. Let's go. Let's go. What is happening? Oh, yeah, there we go. Please. Please. Even arrow. Stop it! I hate it. Even though I'm here. And whoa. Stop it. You weren't here. What the? Is this? Never mind. That's a very long. Hey, I'm sorry for hurting you. Please. No, never mind. I'm a YouTuber and I need help. Never mind. Bye. Bye. Well, let's go charge. We're out of time. And we're needing some charge. Okay. Then we'll sing it. Please. Okay. No. Please. Never mind if you're a god. I don't mind it. Let's go to her. I'm feeling sick though. You know? Let's go change my name. I'm a YouTuber. Why can't change my name? Look at me. Look at me. Here it is. Why? Why? Freaking why? Delete test. Yes, chicken. 5+6. I don't even know VIP. Not a VIP though. I'm not a VIP, okay? Let's edit this. Let's put it like why can't you even put it? Never mind. Okay, so let's put it a YouTuber. So yeah. So guys, hope you find me and you have a great luck for finding me. Because you're gonna see yourself in YouTube. I'm always living like tomorrow. I'm gonna live at maybe something like 3 p.m. like that. So yeah. Never mind. Curse. I'm gonna go Something like cool. Take the VIP, but I'm not a VIP. Yes, this is really cool. If you're not a VIP, then this is time. Then this is cool to have something on the tape. Yeah. So yeah, let's have some date. Well, this is my skin. I don't think so. I'm a VIP though. But let's test it. Hi guys. Yes. So we have a good spot, I think. All girls, all sucks. Oh boys, but it's okay. I like it. Well, I'll try subs. Then yeah, I'm sorry shy. I am a yellow bus. Yeah. What the? Whoa. It looks like an illusion though. Guys, it looks like an illusion. Wait for it. No. Where?
And then it comes with these characters too.
These cool guys got it. Whoa! How cool is this? Wait a minute. I'm a pro creating too. Oh no. It's on right there, is it me? It's Poppy. But yeah, it's the style. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, they're all ready for school. The teacher can wear a baseball hat.
I like. You don't even. But yeah.
Aboard the school bus.
Let's go.
Who's ready to go to school?
Let's go and make this happen.
Wait for us. We want to go to school too.
Why I can't enter?
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber, so I can't
You
enter.
guys know what kind of school this
Yeah.
is? Any school is fun for
Ding
us.
ding,
We
yo.
love school.
Why?
Okay, everyone get on the bus.
Why? Why?
You can also take the hood off the bus to make it easier to load
Well,
passengers.
I think that's not the right time to get see on YouTube. So guys, hope you guys like the video. See you in part 2 and ding ding.